Peace, love, and light, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing, man? It's a night. If y'all hear that in the background, some freaking drama. I had to break up something. Apparently they wasn't fighting, but this was getting most definitely too close to comfort. Other people is intervening. I mean, I guess had to, because it was like I just didn't feel comfortable seeing what I saw. But just a drunk bitch was over there. Look, I mean, she's very old. I mean, the dude just sounds younger. Sounds younger. I don't know. I haven't seen his face. It's freaking loud drama. I was gonna start recording for y'all. Start recording because as I always do my videos when I'm outside and whatnot. Well, I do a lot of videos when I'm outside, but that was kind of like intervening between there and whatnot. But and then even before that, some freaking foreigners, cause they try to get a feather, cause they see we wear feathers. You dig, by the way, feathers up. We're not just talking, actually living it. And they want to be like talking about they're American and whatnot. I said, "Are you an original inhabitant?" He said, "Oh, I've been here my whole life." I didn't ask you that, but it was playing a word game because it's playing to pass it on. And this other foreigner, because they see these foreigners actually, because these foreigners, all they do is just sit there, they look, watch, just watch it or whatnot. I go on my freaking business, I got some rabbits. Y'all see them. That's a lot of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They must have eat the stuff that goes in the grass. It's about 6. They gone. These motherfucking rabbits. I ain't trying to get y'all rabbits. It's been like, my dog is missing out because he got his head freaking down. Anyways, but these foreigners, they talking about like, cause it's his brother. Cause before he had this other pair of foreigner. Cause apparently they see my feathers. They're like, "Oh, let me get a feather." What the frick y'all want a feather, nigga? This ain't your. Everything I do isn't for imitation. Everything my people do is not for imitation. The frick out of here. All these foreigners want to sit there and copy us. I'm just really irritated. Cause especially now, cause he can't. Cause he was playing, he was like, "Hey, tell him again what you said." I'm like, "What'd you tell him?" I said, "You American." He's like, "Oh, my parents, my mother, they've been here, I'm like, shut the frick up. They have not been here. They're just freaking liars. Sitting there trying to be like me. Why the frick you want to be an American so bad? Why the frick you want to wear your feathers like me? So you want to do what I do, everything I freaking do. Leave me the frick alone. Hope these motherfuckers die off." They got real close to these motherfuckers getting leveled out, yo. I'm trying to look if it's a full moon or something. The energy, yeah, it's there most definitely. But I'm just like, I ain't got time for these motherfucking hybrids. Because it's a trashy ass hybrid. I saw the other hybrid the other day. Motherfucking was, couldn't even look right. Just a motherfucking junkie. Trashy ass motherfucker does nothing every single day of their life. These nasty ass motherfuckers, man. I say it to you like that. Shit. Dude, you got a saw hanging out your neck, dude. It's a feather. Oh, is that what it is? Yeah, my culture attire. Oh, okay. I'm a full-blooded American. You're Indian? Yeah, full-blooded. Really? Yeah. Really? Yeah. I thought Native Americans were always like, American again. Native Americans is a patent term owned by the United States government.
No, you're right. I look at this motherfucker got a knife stuck out his head, dude. Yeah, that's what it looks like. A knife sticking on your head, but now it's a feather.
Yeah, it's a feather, yeah.
To record walking your dog?
Yeah, I was just filming and whatnot.
Yeah.
Yep. You see, he says he know. I put him in a shot, cause and I was still filming. And cause I could motherfucking film. Felt like it. I wish I could see him. Yeah, the creeps looking over there. There's a bunch of junkies out here. Hybrid, you know. Even a Flint, whatever. But shoot. Yeah, man. He said, after I told him, I said, it's a Native American's a patent term. He said, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Full-blooded. You see the feather in my head, and just I was saying, is that G? It's a lot of traffic tonight, isn't it? Holy smokes. It's a lot of traffic tonight. But yeah, even though these foreigners, they know exactly who you are, man. Know exactly who you are. If you don't, then they don't. You gotta know yourself. That's the whole importance of it, you dig? That's real life, the importance. Knowing yourself. A lot of people not gonna stand on this. They not gonna have integrity and cause it to stand on this. To be who they are. Gotta wear your feathers proudly. He thought it was a Hispanic looking thing. He said, look, Hispanic. How is it a Hispanic? It in Native American. Because Hispanic, aren't they Spaniards, Spanish? So they call themselves Spanish speaking. It's a bunch of confusion to me. It's a bunch of confusion to me. How is it that? How would that be so? Y'all let me know. But if y'all do want to know more, y'all can book a one-on-one consultation. Send us an email at healingthroughinspiration. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. He sees the other dog, but he didn't see the 6 other squirrels. Cute. Is it boy or girl? Boy, okay. You wanna say hi? That boy looks skinny. Okay. You wanna say hi? Crazy. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, daily uploads.